Building a dream business takes more than just passion and a great idea. It also requires a healthy dose of patience and waiting. While it may seem counterintuitive in a world that glorifies overnight success, understanding the importance of delayed gratification can be the key to laying a strong foundation for sustainable growth. Here are 10 reasons why waiting and patience are crucial for building your dream business. Number 1. Laying a strong foundation. Building a successful business is like constructing a building. You wouldn't rush the foundation, would you? Rushing through the initial stages like market research, competitor analysis, and financial planning can lead to costly mistakes down the line. Taking the time to do your research and build a solid foundation will ensure your business can withstand the inevitable challenges that come its way. Imagine building your dream house. Wouldn't you want the strongest, sturdiest foundation possible? Well, building a business is no different. Patience is like the trusty cement that holds everything together. Here's why. Think of it like planting a seed. Rushing to shove a sprout through the ground won't make it a majestic oak, right? Building a business takes time, just like a seed needs sunshine and rain to grow into a mighty tree. Taking the time for in-depth market research, studying your competition like a hawk, and crafting a rock-solid financial plan is like giving your business seed the best soil to flourish in. Remember, haste makes waste. Skipping crucial steps might feel faster, but trust me, it's like building your house on shaky sand. One gust of wind, a tough market shift, an unexpected competitor could send it all crashing down. Spending the time up front to plan smartly saves you and your precious dreams from headaches and heartache down the line. Patience means being a master builder. Take the time to learn every brick and mortar of your business. Dive deep into your industry, master your craft, and become an expert in what you offer. This patience, like a skilled mason honing their skills, ensures your business is built with precision and care, not just slapped together in a hurry. Number 2, cultivating resilience. The road to entrepreneurial success is rarely smooth. There will be setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. Patience allows you to develop the resilience needed to overcome these challenges. By learning to wait and persevere through tough times, you'll build the strength and determination to keep moving forward. Building a dream business. It's like baking a cake, full of excitement and hope, but also requiring the right mix of ingredients and the patience to let it rise and bake fully. And just like the oven won't give you a perfect cake in a snap, patience is the secret ingredient for brewing up a resilient business. Imagine yourself hiking to a breathtaking mountain peak. There will be steep climbs, tricky paths, and maybe even a thunderstorm or two. But with each step, you build leg muscles and weather sense, making you stronger and smarter for the next hurdle. That's what patience is in business. Setbacks are stepping stones. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. Number 3, building relationships. Strong relationships are essential for any business. Take the time to build genuine connections with potential customers, partners, and mentors. This takes time and effort, but the rewards are invaluable. By patiently nurturing these relationships, you'll create a network of support that can help your business thrive. Patience and building your dream business, wise words for a steady voyage. Imagine your business like a magnificent ship setting sail to new horizons. The wind may not always be in your favor, storms may threaten, and sometimes progress feels slower than a turtle on molasses. But just like any good captain, patience is your compass for navigating these waters and reaching your destination. Let's say you want to build a thriving bakery filled with the aroma of warm bread and the laughter of happy customers. Building relationships is like casting strong anchor ropes. Every kind smile, every helpful tip you share with a supplier, every patient ear you lend to a customer becomes a rope, tethering you to a network of support. Over time, these ropes become cables, holding your bakery steady through even the roughest waves. Remember, trust and loyalty are like precious spices. They take time to cultivate. You wouldn't throw all your cinnamon into one batch of cookies, would you? Building genuine connections also takes time and attention. Be a good listener, offer a helping hand, and remember the names of your regular customers. These small gestures weave a tapestry of trust, attracting loyal patrons and potential partners eager to join your voyage. Number 4. Mastering your craft. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful business. It takes time and dedication to master the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your chosen field. Be patient with yourself as you learn and grow. The time you invest in honing your craft will pay off in the long run. Imagine you want to become the coolest pizza chef in town, flipping dough and tossing toppings like nobody's business. You wouldn't throw a bunch of ingredients on a pan and call it a day, right? It takes practice to make those pizzas perfect. Mastering your craft is like learning to make those awesome pizzas. It takes time, patience, and a sprinkle of dedication. You wouldn't expect to ace your first toss, and you wouldn't get discouraged if your first pizza looks a little lopsided. Just like those dough discs, your skills need time to rise and become fluffy and delicious. Think of each mistake as a little bit of learning dough. You tweak your technique, add a dash of knowledge, and boom! Soon, you're churning out pizzas that make everyone say, "Mamma Mia." That's a masterpiece. So, instead of getting frustrated with yourself, be your own biggest cheerleader. Celebrate the progress, learn from the flops, and keep practicing. Remember, the time you invest in honing your craft is like adding extra cheese. It makes everything tastier in the end. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the pizzaiolo everyone's talking about, the master of your cheesy domain. Number 5. Embracing continuous improvement. There's always room for improvement in business. Don't get discouraged if things don't go perfectly right away. Use setbacks as opportunities to learn and adapt. By patiently iterating and improving your processes, you'll keep your business moving forward in the right direction. Imagine playing your favorite game. You wouldn't just stick to level 1 forever, right? You'd try new moves, beat tougher challenges, and level up. Building a business is kind of like that. Even if things are going okay, there's always a chance to make them even better. Here's the cool thing. Not everything has to be a giant leap to a whole new level. Sometimes, it's the tiny tweaks that add up to big improvements. Think of it like picking up a bunch of shiny pennies on your way to the gold treasure chest. Maybe your website could be easier to use. Or maybe there's a quicker way to answer customer questions. These are like those pennies, small changes that make a big difference in the long run. And the best part, you don't have to find them all at once. Take your time, explore different ideas, and don't be afraid to try something new, even if it doesn't work out perfectly at first. Remember, it's okay to stumble a bit on the way. Think of those setbacks as bonus levels with tricky obstacles. Each time you overcome one, you learn something new and your business gets stronger. So keep that chin up, keep trying new things, and keep making those tiny improvements. Soon enough, you'll be looking back at how far you've come and realizing you've built something truly awesome, all thanks to the power of continuous improvement. Number 6, appreciating the journey. Building a business is a journey, not a destination. Focus on enjoying the process of creation, learning, and growth. Don't get so fixated on the end goal that you forget to savor the present moment. By appreciating the journey, you'll find fulfillment and motivation even when the going gets tough. Imagine building your dream business like planting a seed and watching it grow into a beautiful tree. You wouldn't just stare at the sprout and wish it were a full-grown oak, would you? That wouldn't be much fun. Building a business is similar. It takes time, care, and a little bit of magic to see your idea blossom. Sure, you have that final picture of success in your mind, but the real joy is in the everyday watering, sunlight, and watching it slowly reach for the sky. Number 7, avoiding impulsive decisions. In the fast-paced world of business, it's easy to make rash decisions. However, patience allows you to take a step back and carefully consider your options before acting. This can save you from making costly mistakes that could derail your progress. Imagine you're racing your friend to the ice cream shop. You're both super excited, and you want to scoop that delicious strawberry swirl as fast as possible. But suddenly, you stumble on a banana peel and almost splat on the sidewalk. Ouch, right? In business, sometimes it feels like that race to the finish line. Everyone's rushing around, making deals and launching new things. It's tempting to just jump in without thinking, like sprinting past that banana peel. But just like in the race, taking a quick pit stop to avoid a nasty fall can save you a lot of trouble later. That's what patience is all about in business. It's like slowing down, checking your surroundings, and making sure you're taking the best path to reach your ice cream or your business goals. You might see a shiny new marketing idea and want to launch it right away, but pausing to gather data and feedback could prevent wasted time and resources. Think of it as building a sturdy bridge instead of a rickety raft. It takes longer, but it'll get you to your goal safely and securely. So remember, taking a breath and thinking things through before you act can be your superpower in the business world. It's not about stopping altogether. It's about making smart choices that help you avoid nasty banana peel moments and savor that sweet, sweet success. Number 8, allowing organic growth. Just like a tree, a successful business takes time to grow. Don't try to force things by taking on too much too soon. Allow your business to grow organically at its own pace. By focusing on quality over quantity, you'll build a sustainable foundation for long-term success. Imagine your business is like a little sprout, full of potential but needing time to blossom. Pushing it too hard with fertilizer and sunlight won't make it a mighty oak overnight. It might even snap. Instead, give it sunshine and water as it needs. Let its roots grow strong underground and watch it reach for the sky at its own pace. Organic growth is like that gentle nurturing. It's about focusing on quality, making sure your products or services are the best they can be, building strong relationships with customers, and learning from every step along the way. It might take longer than forcing it, but just like that oak, your business will be sturdy and stand tall for years to come. Here's the cool part. While your business grows, you get to enjoy the journey. You can savor the small victories, learn from the bumps, and celebrate every milestone that brings you closer to your dream. So remember, be patient, water your seeds of success, and let your business flourish in its own time. The sweet rewards of organic growth will be worth the wait. Number 9, celebrating milestones. Take the time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how big or small. This will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. Recognizing your progress will fuel your patience and remind you of how far you've come. Imagine you're hiking up a mountain. Reaching the top is the dream, right? But what if we only stopped to cheer when we finally reach the peak? We'd miss all the amazing views and cool rock formations along the way, and our legs might get super tired without any breaks. Celebrating milestones is like stopping at these awesome lookout points on your hike. It's taking a moment to appreciate how far you've come, how strong you're getting, and how beautiful the climb is, even if you haven't reached the top yet. Maybe you hit a big sales target, high five to yourself, or finally launched your website. Treat yourself to that fancy coffee you've been eyeing. Every step forward is worth celebrating because it takes you closer to your dream. Number 10, finding inspiration in others. Surround yourself with successful entrepreneurs who have built their businesses with patience and perseverance. Their stories can provide you with inspiration and guidance on your own journey. Remember, even the most successful entrepreneurs didn't achieve overnight success. They took the time to build their businesses the right way, and you can too. Imagine you're building a treehouse, but you're feeling a bit lost. Maybe you haven't quite figured out how to get the stairs just right, or how to make the roof super cool. Well, instead of getting frustrated, wouldn't it be awesome to climb up another amazing treehouse nearby? That's what finding inspiration in others is like. Think of successful entrepreneurs like awesome treehouse builders. They've taken the time and effort to create something strong, beautiful, and maybe even a little magical. By spending time with them, not literally climbing their treehouse though, you can get ideas for your own. Building your dream business takes time, effort, and yes, patience. But by embracing the value of waiting, you can lay a strong foundation for sustainable growth and achieve long-term success. So take a deep breath, trust the process, and enjoy the journey of building your dream. I hope these reasons inspire you to embrace patience and perseverance on your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.